Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the browser language on your vivaldi browser on your computer. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the browser language on your vivaldi browser on your computer, just going to show in this video. So to change the language on your vivaldi browser, just click on the setting option on the bottom. You can see it's on the left corner on the bottom section. Click on the setting option, or you have the shortcut key of Ctrl F12. Then open menu, you have this pop-up. Here you just need to click on the gender option. Just swipe to the bottom section. Here you can find an option called language, user interface language. So here you just click this. You have the list of language. You can see various languages. You can switch to any language. You just need to select the language first, then for example German, and just need to click on the save language and click save language again. Now you can't find any changes now. You just need to close the browser and open it again. So I just opened the browser again. You can see the search bar has been changed to German, and also going to the setting, everything changes to the German language. So come to the general setting again, just swipe down, just click this and just change the language and click this. This is how you just change the language on your vivaldi browser on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.